Hey everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're continuing on with our challenge series. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, little small snippet videos, and we tend to always build on them. So alright, today's challenge, city block walk. So the premise is that, and we can do this, we'll have one basic and then you can add if you want to. So you're going to expect a list, and then the more advanced one is expect a length of time or just length. So right now we have 4 directions, 4 times. So the first concept is you have north, east, south, west. And then of course, then you could have north, south, east, west. So there'll be compass directions. So the trick is, and what the challenge is do you end up write a function that is going to return true or false if you're going to return back to the original location. So then if you go east, south, west, west, north, and that's all the instructions, then you would return false because you're not back at the original location. And then a more advanced is, oops, didn't mean to do that. Let's put this back up here. Then a more advanced is, let's say you had a length of 2, and of course then it goes here, 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 here. You add 2. How about we look at it as 2 units or minutes for each, or you have one minute for each direction. So if you're given 4 directions and you only had 2 minutes, it would return false. You'd get back later than you were expected. So alright, now let's look at the results for, or one option, not results, it's not end all be all, for challenge 6 of how to find the files ending with all the pickled files. So to remind you, all of these challenges are, if there's any skill set or tools that we have talked about, they're at your disposal. And of course, you can go and search the channel previously. So one perfect way to go and find, with all the tools that we have, any file ending with a certain extension would be the glob.glob, and then we pass in star.pkl or whatever extension we are searching for, and then that is going to return a list. So boom, there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, or any suggestions of challenges. I think we'll wind this down this week and pick back up with Beautiful Soup, because we got a couple of really good ideas about that. So, but as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.